Hey guys, I am just starting with this HydroFlow mug that I got at TJ Maxx. I really love this brand. It's what I use every day for my coffee. So just prepped it with Mattify and now I am spray painting it white. And a little behind the scenes info about this cup. I did this months ago. I don't remember exactly when it was. So using Deep Forest and this really pretty red, doing some swirls. But this sweet girl Veronica ordered this from me. She does cups also, so her shop name is Veronica's Creations. So she wanted me to put that on her cup, and she kind of gave me free reign to do what I wanted. She just wanted a Christmassy, pretty cup. So once that was dry, I spread on some really thin layer of epoxy. This is my Artistry epoxy. So yeah, like I said, this cup was done actually like maybe 4, 5, 6 months ago even. So this is Snowy that I'm putting on here from my Christmas collection. So just covering the white, and I kind of went a little bit over onto the red and green. This is 1225 from my Christmas collection. It's a really pretty red, kind of iridescent holographic mix. It's more like a deep red. Then this is Laguna from my beach collection. It's more of like a deep teal, but I thought it would just be really pretty than the standard like bright red. And you guys know I love kind of understated, more elegant things rather than like cheesy, bright, in-your-face things. So that's what I chose to go with. And so just taking more of that white and kind of doing like a little ombre effect on the sides of the colors. Then I had sealed that with a clear spray paint, and now going on with a thicker layer of the Artistry epoxy. So then I cut out Veronica's Creations in this beautiful rose gold vinyl to put on there. So then I decided to put Veronica's in the red section and then Creations in the white section. So that way her name is going to be on the whole front of the cup. I just really like when working with like a swirl design, just making your decals go with the swirl instead of just straight across. I think it just looks really nice and it works well with the cup and the design of the cup. Just makes it all a little more cohesive, if that makes sense. Then I wanted to add some leopard print. I really love leopard print. I think everyone knows that by now. I don't think I'll ever get sick of it. This particular one had like weird dots in the middle of some of the spots. So I just removed those before putting it on the cup. So then I just kind of cut out sections of the leopard print where I thought it would look good. I was just trying to go on either side of the name. But I just thought it would be so cute to do leopard print with the Milky Way, with the Christmas colors. All of it together makes the perfect combination. So then doing another layer of the Artistry epoxy. After that was all on really nice and laid out, I took some of my Wave white pigment and I put it in the extra epoxy. Then mixing it up and just using the little stir stick to kind of make little lines. And there's no real rhyme or reason. I just try to stay in the green and white section for this. I didn't want to get all over the cup. I didn't really want to get on top of the leopard spots. Just kind of trying to stay in that little section there. then once I had it looking how I wanted it, I just took my little embossing gun and just kind of blow it a little bit with some heat. You kind of want to move that color and blend it a little bit, but you also want to make sure not to heat it up too much, or else it's going to start running and just dripping and not looking good. So just be very careful of how much heat you're adding to one area of the cup. Then adding some golden hour from my beach collection to kind of give this a little more sparkle. So just going kind of right on top of the areas where I did the white lines. And I love golden hour because it is a little bit of a, like, it's a lighter gold, but it's like a little bit of a deeper gold. And it has iridescent and holographic in it, so it pretty much goes with anything. And I just love how it added such a nice kind of color shift to it and a little bit of sparkle. So then after that, I believe I added 2 more layers of the epoxy to finish off this Christmassy Milky Way cup. Then it was done. I just love how it turned out. It's very Christmassy, but again, it's understated and just very elegant. So thank you so much, Veronica, for ordering this from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.